Welcome to week 11. This is chapter 9, and I think you're going to find a lot of interesting stuff in this chapter. We're talking about the EMR, EHR dilemma, our medical record system. So be sure to look at the video and go over the material. I think you're going to get a lot out of it. It's pretty interesting. You do have review questions this week, so make sure to take a note of that. People are doing really, really well overall in this class, and I appreciate your hard work and diligence. But if you need anything, please feel free to reach out. I've opened the material already for this week so you can get a head start, and I look forward to helping you along the way. Be sure to look at these notes and PowerPoints and such, and then take a look at this article, EMR versus EHR. What is the difference? So that, I think, will alleviate some confusion in regards to what we call our medical record system. Let me know if you need anything. Thanks so much, and I hope you have a great week.